Every leader I talk to says the same thing. I just want my team to take more ownership. But here's the uncomfortable truth most leaders don't want to hear. If your team isn't stepping up, it's usually not a motivation problem. It's a signal problem. Welcome to 10X in Under 10 Minutes. I'm Ben Chaib, and today we're talking about the ownership signal, the subtle things leaders do that either activate ownership or quietly kill it. Let's start here. Ownership can't be assigned, it can't be forced, and it definitely can't be demanded. Ownership is invited. People step up when they feel three things at the same time. They feel trusted, they feel clear, and they feel safe to take responsibility without getting burned. Remove any one of those, and ownership disappears. Here's what usually happens instead. A leader delegates something, then checks in constantly, then fixes it, then takes it back. From the leader's perspective, it feels helpful. From the team's perspective, it feels like, why even try? And slowly, without anyone saying it out loud, the team learns a lesson. Initiative isn't rewarded, it's corrected. So they stop stepping up. Quick story. I worked with a leader who genuinely believed his team lacked ownership. He said, "Ben, they just don't take responsibility." When we watched his behavior, something jumped out immediately. Every time someone brought him a half-formed solution, he jumped in and finished it. Every time someone made a mistake, he corrected it publicly. Every time something went sideways, he stepped in to save the day. He wasn't trying to control, he was trying to be efficient. But what his team learned was simple. If we wait long enough, he'll take it back. So we changed one thing. He stopped rescuing. Instead of saying, "Here's what you should do," he started saying, "Walk me through your thinking." Instead of fixing problems, he coached through them. Instead of owning everything, he owned the outcome and let the team own the path. Within weeks, something shifted. People spoke up more. They brought solutions, not problems. Ownership came back, not because they were told to care more, but because they were finally allowed to. Here's the framework behind it. I call it the ownership signal, and it comes down to three signals leaders send every day. The first signal is control. Too much control kills ownership. If people feel monitored instead of trusted, they'll wait for instructions instead of thinking. The second signal is clarity. Ownership collapses in confusion. If people don't know what success looks like, they won't take responsibility for reaching it. The third signal is consequence, not punishment, but consequence. Ownership grows when people see that outcomes matter and follow-through is real. Control kills ownership, and clarity builds ownership, and then consequence sustains ownership. And here's the part most leaders miss. Every time you take work back, you send a signal. Every time you jump in too fast, you send a signal. Every time you fix instead of coach, you send a signal. Your team is always responding to the signal, not the speech. So here's your 10X action for this week. Delegate one outcome, not one task. Be clear on what winning looks like. Then step back, even if it's uncomfortable. Don't rescue, don't redo, and don't reclaim. Coach instead. Ownership grows when leaders create space and resist the urge to fill it. This idea runs all through my book, The Human Connection, Unlocking Potential in Business and Leadership. Because real performance doesn't come from control, it comes from trust plus standards. This wraps up episode 15. Here's what's coming next. Next Monday, we're talking about the decision drift, why leaders think they've decided, but their teams keep acting like nothing changed. Because if your decisions don't change behavior, they're not decisions, they're suggestions. I'm Ben Chaib, and this has been 10X in Under 10 Minutes. I'll see you next week.